Hello everyone, we welcome you to the presentation of our project Impact of Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao in School Enrollment Scenarios in India. This project was given to us by our professor Mr. John Tripp. A basic data of in school enrollment scenario of India was provided to us. However, we have incorporated publicly available government data on Beti Padhao and Beti Bachao, highlighting the different states and different districts where pilot project under this scheme was started and initiated. This report attempts to highlight influence of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign on girl child enrollment in India. For the purpose of this study, this campaign was launched on 22nd January 2015 and is targeted towards creating awareness on saving girl child and educating the girl child. Initially, 100 districts were identified on the basis of a low CSR. 100 districts throughout India were identified. And these 100 districts will then prove to be pilot districts for this program. The aim is to increase the girl child enrollment in secondary education from 76% to 79% from 2013-14 to 2017. Some of the external references that we used are available over here. This is the scenario of total girls enrolled from class 1 to 8th as per the 2012-2013 data. Here we can see the maximum number of girls were enrolled in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Moving on to the next display, this is the condition, or this is where the total girls enrollment stand after the launch of campaign, that is 2015 and 2016. It is surprising to note that most of the states are either declining or are maintaining a more or less similar count when it comes to girl child enrollment, with an exception of Bihar, which is which has shown an increase of 3.99%. Unlike Madhya Pradesh, which has shown a decrease of 6.73%. Rest of the states, it's amazing to see that how the state of Haryana, it's surprising to see that how in state of Haryana, where this campaign, Haryana and Rajasthan, where this campaign is specifically targeted, we are seeing either a decline or a maintain or no prominent change. Here is a list of all the districts that were throughout India that were identified under this scheme to be the pilot for this initiative. As we can see, the biggest cluster amongst these identified districts, some are showing some of the districts are showing improvement, whereas others a decline, and a significant chunk of bigger districts is showing absolutely no change. It is important to note It is important to note that there was only one district in Bihar that was chosen for this purpose, and in Madhya Pradesh we have and in Madhya Pradesh there were four districts. And in Madhya Pradesh there were four districts. We can see all the pilot districts of Haryana. You can see most of the most of the pilot districts of Punjab and Haryana. This big cluster of districts between Punjab and Haryana have shown good growth. For Pan India, these are the top 20 districts a, with an increase in girl enrollment between 2012-13 to 2015-13 to 15-16. We can see that was one of Gautam Budh Nagar was one of the districts. Here is a list of here is a list of top 20 districts which have shown an increase of girl child enrollment um, between the two targeted years. Here, important thing to observe is Gautam Budh Nagar. Gautam Budh Nagar district was one of the pilot districts, one of the 100 identified pilot districts, which is and is the only district in the top 20 which has managed to come on top 20. However, it is still far behind than Kamrup Metro District, still far behind Kamrup Metro District. Here, here is a list of out of all out of all the Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao pilot districts, only 9 of them were able to make it to the top 100 in this category. Gautam Budh Nagar being on number 1 and being the only district among the pilot districts to be able to secure a position amongst the top 20 districts which have shown increase in girls enrollment at a pan India level. As you can see, Gautam Budh Nagar is still, as you can see, most of these pilot districts are not performing up to the expectations. Are not performing up to the expectations. Some of the biggest key takeaways from our analysis are: except for Bihar, the percentage enrollment of girl child is continuing to decrease or is maintained at the same level since 2012-13. Madhya Pradesh saw the biggest decrease in girl child enrollment, that is of 6.73%. Impact of BBBP, close to 30 districts have shown increase in percentage enrollment of girl child. Gautam Budh Nagar pilot district made it to the second in the list of the district with increasing girl enrollment. 9 of the pilot districts appear